This is the pre-order, right? This is the pre-order. When we create a tree, we can write in order, pre-order, and post-order. Three things we can write: in order, pre-order, and post-order. Right. Always in order of a binary search tree. Binary search tree. In order of a binary search tree is always ascending order. You got my point? In order of a binary search tree is always ascending order. Ascending order. And pre-order and post-order will be in the different way. They will not be in the, they may or may not be in the exact order, ascending order. Right. So, in order of a binary search tree is always ascending order. Right. Pre-order and post-order may be in the different way. Example, yeah, we will see one example before we work this example. So the example is, this is the binary search tree. We have 10. Now, for example, yeah, I'm taking this as the 40 instead of 10. 40. So now left side, for example, 20, and right side, it should be greater than 20, right? So now I'm assuming this as the 70, right? So now if you want to have any values in the right of 20, it should be greater than 20 as well as less than 40, because the values which we are going to write here are left of 40. So from 21 to 39, any value we can write here, right? For example, I'm writing 35, and for this left should be, left of 70 should be less than 70, and it should be greater than 40 because the 70 is in the right of 40. Now 41 to 69, any value we can write here. So now, for example, I'm writing 60, and in the right of, yeah, left of 60, we can write any value which is less than 60, and as well as the greater than 40. For example, I'm writing 45 here, and also in the right of 60, 60 is in the left of 70, so it should be less than 70. Any value which we are going to write in the left of 70 must be less than 70. And it is right of 60, so it should be right greater than 60. Now 61 to 69, anything we can write, assuming that this is the 65 I wrote. Now this is one binary search tree. This is one binary, yes sir, it is clear, your voice, right? Yeah, this is one binary search tree. 40 is the root of this binary search tree, and left side we have 20. And again, 20's right side we have 35, and 40's right there is a value called 70, and left of 70 we have 60, and then in the left of 60 we have 45, and in the right of 60 we have 65. So this is the binary search tree we have assuming. So now we will write in order. In order. Okay. In order. In order means first we have to write the left, then we have to write middle, then we have to write the right side one. So left, middle, right is the order of in order. So left, middle, right is the in order's order, right? So now before we write 40, we must write its left side. So left of 40 is 20. But before we write 20, we must write its left. So left of 20 is nothing. There is no value in the left of 20. So directly we can write 20 because left is not there. We can consider that as finished. So now I am writing 20. So in order, so 20. Now left of 20 is over. 20 is also over. We'll come to the right of 20. Right of 20 is 35. So now 35, before we write 35, we have to write its left, but left is not there. Only 35 is there. So now we can write 35. 35. 20 followed by 35. So now there are no more values in the left of 40. So now we can write 40 because left of 40 is over. So now 40. 20, 35, 40. So left of 40 is over, 40 is also over. Now we have to think of right of 40. Right of 40, there is a value called 70. So now before we write 70, we must write its left. So now come to the left of 70, there is the value 60. So now before we write 70, we must write 60. So now before again same thing will be applied on the 60. So now before we write 60, we must write its left, that is 45. Now before we write 45, we must write its left, but there is no left in the left to the 45. So now we can write 45. We can write 45. So now left of 60 is over. Now we can write 60. Now we can write 60. Then 60 is right side. Left of 60 is over. 60 is also over. Right of 60. Right of 60 is 65. So now we will write 65 after the 60. And then left of 70 is over. Now we can write 70. Now we have to think of right of 70, but right of 70 is not there. So simply we will go up and root is there. Simply we can think that all the values are written. Now you see the values 20, 35, 40, 45, 60, 65 and 70 are there. They are in the ascending order. Remember, always in order of a binary search tree is always sorted values. In order of a binary search tree is always sorted values, right? Is this clear? Yeah. You respond in the chat. I can go through your chat. Right. Is this clear? Now this is in order. In order. Now we will write the pre-order. Pre-order. Pre-order is first write the middle. First write the middle, pre-order, followed by the left and then right child. So first middle, then left, then right. MLR, middle, left, right. Right. So now first when we start this from 40 from the root, first we have to write the middle. Middle is nothing but the root itself. So now first we will write the middle, which is 40. 40 is written. Right. Followed by left of 40. Left of 40 is 20. Again, when you come to the 20, apply the same concept. First write 20, then write left and right of 20. So now first we will write 20. And the left of 20 is nothing. So we can treat that as finished. Now right of 20 is 35. So now first write 35. And if we have any left or right of 35, we can see. But there are no more values to the left and right of 35. So now 40 is over, 40 is left over. Now we'll come to the right side. So first write middle, this is nothing but 70. So now first we will write the 70 in the right side. So now after writing 70, write its left and right. Write left of 70 as well as right of 70. So now left of 70 is 60. So first you write 60, then you think of left and right of 60. So now 60 will be written first. 60 will be written first, and then we'll come on to the left, 45. So first write 45 and then think of left and right of 45, but there are no left and right of 45. So now 60 is over, 60 is left over, then we will write 60 is right, which is 65. Right. So now 60 over, left and right are over, we'll go to the upper level. So now 70 over, 70 is left over, 70 is right. There are no more values in the 70 is right. And then this is over. So pre-order is over. So this is the way, yeah, inform your friends, only 47 are there. Yeah, is this clear? Some of you respond. Is this clear? Yeah, okay, enough. If not clear, those who are unable to understand, you please respond in the chat. Right. So now in order is always ascending order. In order is always ascending order. So now we wrote pre-order. Pre-order. This is one of the important question. We will finish this today. gate question. In the gate, many times this question will come, right? So now pre-order is also written. We will write the post order. Post order. Now post means first right left, then right middle. Sorry, first right left, then right side, and then middle. So now left, right, middle is the format of post order. Post order. So middle should be post. That's what the post order means. Middle should be post, right? Okay. So now see here, 40. Before we write 40, we must write its left and right. Then we have to write 40. So now we'll come on to the left side. There is 20. So before we write 20, we have to write left and right of 20. There is no left, and in the right side we have 35. So first we will write 35. First we will write 35. And then left of 20 as well as right of 20 are over. Now we can write 20. So now 20 will be written here. Right. So now followed by left of 40 is over. Left of 40 is over. Before we write 40, we have to write right of 40. So now right of 40 is 70 is there. So now before we write 70, we have to write left and right of 70. So now we'll come to the left of 70. So now 60 is there. Before we write 60, we have to write left and right of 60. So now left of 60 is 45, right of 60 is 65. We have to write these two, then we can write 60. So now left of 60 is 45. So now 45 is written, and right of 60 is 65. Right of 60 is 65. So now left and right of 60 are over. Now we can write 60. Now, yeah, 70 is left over. Now we have to look after the 70s right. There are no more no values in the right of 70. So now 70's right side is also over. Now left of 70 over, right of 70 over. Now we can write 70. Now we can write 70. So now go to the upper level. Left of 40 over, right of 40 over. So the remaining value is 40. So now we will write 40 here. Right? So this is the post order. In the post order, first we will write left, then we will write right, then we will write middle. Right? So this in, pre, post is about only the middle. Left and right will be in the same order only. First left, then right. Then what about middle? Whether to write middle in the middle, then that is called in order. If you want to write middle in the starting, then that is called the pre-order. If you write middle in the last, then that is called the post order. Where we are placing the middle, that gives the whether it is pre-order, post order, or in order. Right? If you keep the middle in the in between left and middle, left and right, then that is called the in order. In between left and right. In between left and right. If you keep the middle in middle, then that is called the in order. In between left and right. If you keep the middle first, then that is called the pre-order. First middle as well as then left as well as right continuously. First left, then right. Okay, left and right order won't change. So now middle will be written first, then left, then right, then that is called the pre-order. Whereas if you keep the middle in the last, first left, then right, then middle, then that is called the post order. Am I clear? Right. So these are the orders. Why these orders? Now, if one order is given, either pre or post, not in order I'm talking, one order is given, either pre or post, we can construct the tree, and we can write the other order. Generally in the gate, yeah, what question may come? Gate means one of the entrance examination to do your masters, like MSET. After BTech, you will have one exam that is called the gate to join into the masters in India. Right. Yeah. One order will be given to us, either pre or post, not in order. Either pre or post will be given to us. And we know the in order because in order is sorted values. Whatever the values are available, if you sort them, that is nothing but the in order. By using pre-order as well as in order, we can construct the tree. Or by using post order and in order, we can construct the original tree. So what type of question may come to us? We will get one order For example, pre-order is given to us. Pre-order is given to us. So now using this pre-order, we have to construct the tree and then we have to generate the post-order. And there you will find the options of post-order. Some sequence of values will be given. One of the answer will be right and you have to choose the right answer. Unless you construct this tree, you can't generate the post-order. Right? Yeah, now we will see. Using this pre-order, we will work out and we will generate the same tree. You note down this. Later on, we will work for the above values. Yeah, all of you note down. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Note down this tree. 40, 40 is left 20, 40 is right 70, and then 20 is left nothing, 20 is right 35, and 70 is left 60, 70 is right nothing, and again come to the 60, 60 is left is 45, 60 is right is 65. Note on this small tree. Note on this small tree. So that we will construct, we will clear this and then we will construct again using pre-order and in order, as well as we can construct the same tree by using the post order and in order. Okay. Yeah, 2 minutes time to you. Note down this tree. Circle the tree. Yeah. Okay. Now we will clear this tree. We'll clear this tree. And also we'll clear this pre-order, post-order, post-order. By using in order and pre-order, we can construct the tree. I'll show you how to construct. Otherwise, I'll construct here so that will be there as it is. That will be good, I think. Right. Now, yeah, how to construct a tree using in order as well as either pre-order or post-order. Now we are considering the pre-order. Pre-order. In pre-order, first value is always the root. In pre-order, first value is always the root. Right? Am I clear? In pre-order, first we'll write the middle. That means the moment we start writing, so the root value will be written first. Right? So now in pre-order, 40 is the value we have. 40. The value 40 is there. So now 40 is the value. First we will write 40 in the middle, and then from the pre-order we took one value. So now this value is taken. From the pre-order, 40 is taken and 40 is the root. We know that. And then go to the in order. So now all the values which are in the left of 40 in the in order. I'm talking in the in order. All the values which are in left of 40 should be in the left of 40 here. So now here what values will be there? Don't change the order. So now 20 and 35 will be there in the left of 40. And values right side to the this 40. 40 is taken. 40 is written here. So now right of 40, 45, 60, 65, 70 will be in the right of 40. So now 45, 60, 65 and 70 will be in the right of 40, right of 40. And then we should go to the next value in the pre-order. So the next value in the pre-order is 20. Next value in the pre-order is 20. So now 20, wherever 20 is there, you keep the 20 there. That's it. So now 20 is here in the left of 40. 20 is here. So you keep the 20 here. So now 20 will be here. And the remaining value, that 35 is there. You write it in the right of 20 because here it is in the right of 20. So 35 is in the right of 20. So now write that 35 in the right of 20 because it is right side to the 20. Right. So now 35 is written in the right side. Then consider the next value from the pre-order. So the next value is 35. So keep the 35 there. There is only one value. No need of working for that. Simply keep the value there. Right. So now consider the next value from the pre-order. So the next value from the pre-order is 70. So now see the value 70 where it is and keep the value 70 there. So now 70 is here. I am writing 70 here. The remaining values 45, 60, 65 are in the left of 70. So now these values should be in the left of 70. So now 45, don't change the order when you are rewriting. 45, 60 and 65 will be in the left of 70. Will be in the left of 70. So now consider the next value from the pre-order. Next value from the pre-order. So now 60. Keep the 60 here and then the 45 is in the left of 60 and 65 is in the right of 60. So now 45 will be written here and 65 will be in the right of 60. And then consider the next value from the in order. The value 45 is there. So now come and watch where is the 45. 45 is here and it is only one value. So no need of doing anything for the 45. And then consider the next value that is 65. So come to the tree. So 65 is a single value. So no need of working for this 65 again. So simply you see 40 is left is 20 and 40 is right is 70. And then come to the 20 is right is 35 and 70, come to the right side 70. 70 is left is 60, 70 is right is nothing. 60 is left is 45, 60 is right is 65. See the original tree and the constructed tree. So both are same, right? So by using by using pre-order or post-order, we can construct the original tree because in order is always sorted values. No need of getting in order from somebody, right? Is this clear? Just watch for 2 minutes. క్లాస్ నడుస్తుంది ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ క్లాస్ నడుస్తుంది 3:15 3:20 అవుతుంది ఈజీగా వదిలేసేనా రైట్ ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ చెప్పన్నా మేడం అడగనా నువ్వు అడిగి చెప్పు నాకు మళ్ళా right. Yeah, now we are generally writing post order for this will be easy. We can write post order for this. That post order will be your answer. You will be given pre-order and they will expect the post order for the given pre-order. Yeah, in order you have to construct on your own. Just write the values in sorted order. And by using in order as well as the given pre-order or post order, anything, we can construct the tree and then we can write the other order. So this will be the question, right? Okay. Sir, give us one example, we will solve. Yeah, I'll give you. At the end, I'll give you. Right, I'm clearing this and then we will work for the somewhat big example. Yeah, now see the values are 45, 20, 15, 10, 17, 16, 18, 28, for 24, 35, 68, 50, 65, 62, and 66. These are the values given to us, and this is the pre-order. This is the pre-order. Now the question will be, for the given pre-order, you write the post-order. How can we write the post-order? First, construct the tree. First, construct the tree. Once we construct the tree, we can write the post-order. How to construct the tree? First, we have to write the in order. Then only we can construct the tree. So now in order is nothing but the sorted values. We know that. Because in order of binary search tree is always sorted values. So now sort these values. Now sort these values. These values, if we sort, first 10 will come. First 10 will come. Then 15 will come. Then 16 will come. Then 17 will come. Then 18 will come. Then 20 will come. Then 24 will come. Then 28. Then 35. Then 45. Then 50. Then 62. Then 65. Then 66. And then 68. These are the values we will get. You simply sort the original given values. Are you able to see this? Yeah, while explaining, I'll repeat the words also, that numbers, so that I think that will be clear to you. Right. So now this is the in order. Given one is the post order, sorry, pre-order, and this is the in order. The given values are pre-order. The one which we have written is in order. Right. So now we have to construct the tree. Always pre-order's first value is the root. So now pre-order's first value is 45. So now 45 is root. So now this is 45. 45 is root. Root means the middle value. First value. So now 45 is root, and collect the one value every time from the pre-order. First 45 is collected and written as the root, and then watch the in order values. All the values which are in the left of 45 must be in the left side of this 45 in the tree, and the right side value should be in the right of this 45 in the tree. So now all the values 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 24, 28, and 35 are in the left side of 45. All these values should be in the left side of 45. And then the right side value should be 50, 62, 65, 66, and 68. Should be in the right of 45. Right. Simply we have seen where 45 is. So now here is 45 in the in order. Here is 45. So we took the 45 as the root already by watching the value from the pre-order, and then all the left side values we have written in the left of 45, and all the right side values of this 45 in the in order are written in the right of the 45. Now consider the next value from the pre-order. So now 20. You place the 20 here. Place the 20 here. Place the 20 here and see the values 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 are in the left of 20, 24, 28, 35 are in the right of 20. So now left of 20 are 10, 15, 16, 17 and 18 are in the left of 20, and the right side are 24, 28 and then 35 are in the right of 20. So now take the next value. 20 is also over. Take the next value 15. 15 from the pre-order. So now 15 is collected. So 15 will be written in the left of 20. 15 will be written in the left of 20. Now it will be here. And again, watch the values at this place. The 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 are there. So now 15's left side, only 10 is there. 15's left side, only 10 is there. And 15's right, 16, 17, 18 are there. 16, 17, 18 are there. In the right of 15. So now collect the next value, which is 10. 10. So 10 is already single value. We need not work anything anymore over this 10. Simply leave that. So now collect the next value, which is 17. Write the 17 here. Write the 17 here, and whatever the values available in this place. Left of 17 is 16 is there, and right of 17, 18 is there. So now we will write 16 in the left side, and then 18 in the right side to this 17. And then collect the next value from the pre-order, 16. So now 16 is single value in the tree, so we can leave that as it is. Then collect the next value from the pre-order, which is 18. So now we can leave the 18 in the right of 17 as it is because it is single value. So now collect the next value, that is 28. Now 28 is here. 24, 28, 35 are there. So now we have to write 28 here, and the left of 28, 24 is there. We will write 24 here in the left side, and then in the right side 35 will be written because there are three values, 24, 28 and 35 are there. So now 28 is written here. So the left of 28, 24 is there. That is written in the left of 28, and the right of 28, 35 is there. So that will be written in the right of 28. Right. So now take the 24. There is only one value, that is 24. We need not work anything anymore for this 24. Then take the 35. Again, only one value is there. We can leave that. And then take the 68. 68 is here. 68 is 50, 62, 65, 66 and 68. Five values are there. So now 68 will be written here to the right of 45. And then the all values, remaining values. There are no values in the right side. There are four values are there. All those four values are in the left of 68 only. So now they will be written in the left of 68. 50, 62, 50, 62, 65 and 66 will be written in the left of 68. Now collect the next value, which is 50. So now where is 50? We have to watch. So now 50 is here. So now 50 will be written here as it is, and then the remaining values 62, 65 and 66 are in the right of 50. So now they will be written in the right of 50. So now 62, 65 and 66 are written in the right of 50. Now collect the next value, 65. So now write the 65 here, and there are two values, 62 which is in the left side and one more value 66 which is in the right side to the 65, and write them accordingly. And then collect the 62. So now 62, there is only one value in the graph, no need to work anything more. Now 66, only one value, we can leave that as it is. So finally we got 45, left of 45 20, right of 45 68, left of 20 15, right of 20 28, left of 15 10, right of 15 17, left of 15 16, right of 17 18, and right of 20 28, left of 28 24, right of 28 35, right of 45 68, left of 68 50, right of 50 65, and left of 65 62, right of 65 is 66. This is the tree we got, and from this writing post order is not a tough task. We can write easily. We can write easily. Yeah, we will write now. Post order will be written now. Now see here, what is post order? Post order means first we have to write left, and then we have to write right, and then we have to write the middle. This is what post order is. So now before we write 45, we have to write left and right of 45. So now this is a post order. I'm writing here only post order. So now before we write 45, left and right of 45. Left of right is 20. Right of 45 is 68. So now before we write 45, these two should be written. But again come to this place. Before we write 20, we have to write left and right of 20. Yeah, come to the left. 15. Before we write 15, we have to write left and right of 15. Yeah, left is only one value, that is 10. So now 10 will be written first. Post order, first 10 will be written. And then before writing 15, we have to write right side also. Left is written, we have to finish right side also. Right side 17 is there. But before we write 17, we have to write left and right of 17. So now 16 and 18 will be written first, then 17 will be written. So now 16, 18 are written and followed by 17 will be written here. Right. So now left of 15 as well as right of 15 both are over. Now we can write 15. Left of 15, right of 15 over. We can write 15. So now left of 20 is over. We have to work for the right of 20, which is 28. So now before we write 28, we have to write left and right of 28. Left is 24, right is 35. So now 24 and 35 are written and followed by, we can write 28. We can write 28. So now left of 20 and right of 20 both are over. Now we can write 20. So now 20 will be written here. Now come to the 45. Left of 45 is over. Left of 45 is over. So now think right of 45. Once we finish right of 45, we can write the 45. So now come to the right side. Right side 68 is there. Before we write 68, we have to write left and right of 68. Come to the left. So now 50. Before we write 50, we have to write left and right of 50. There is no left. Come to the right. So 65 is there. Before we write 65, we have to write left and right of 65. So now 62 will be written first and then 66 will be written and followed by, we can write 65 because left and right of 65 are over. We can write 65. So now come to the above level 50. Left is nothing to the 50 and right is already over. So now we can write 50. We can write 50. So now left of 68 is over. Right of 68 there is no value. So left and right of 68 are over. Now we can write 68. Right. Now left and right of 45 are over. Now we can write 45. So now this is the final order. Pre-order is 10, 16, 18, 17, 15, 24, 35, 28, 20, 62, 65, 62, 66, 65, 50, 68 and 45. So this order will be expected as answer. Okay. They will give you in order. They will give you in order. Sorry, they will give you pre-order. We can generate in order, right? So by using this pre-order and in order, we can construct the tree, right? Is this clear? Yes, respond. Right. Is this good or working with only direct video, only computer? Which one is good? This is like classroom, I hope. If you are able to see these values clearly, I'm sure that this is simply like a classroom. Okay. But if you switch on your video, that will be more good. Even I can see your faces if you switch on. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 members can be seen at a stretch. Okay, good. We feel like we are in classroom. But I am not feeling like classroom because your faces are not there. Right. Okay, okay. Yeah, will you note down this? You better do one thing, take a screenshot. If you are interested, you can go through it. Otherwise, you can leave it, no problem. It should be in the mind, not on the papers. Okay, now we will see by post order also we can construct. Completed. Good. Using post order and in order, we can construct. In order will not be given to us directly. We can write the sorted values. That's it. If we are given either pre-order or post order, we can construct the tree. Right? Now see, for the same values, for the same example, we will construct the tree again using post order. Using post order, of course, in order will be created by us, right? Yeah, I'm clearing the pre-order values. Yeah. You see here, this order will be given to us. This is the post order. This is the post order. Post order will be given to us. Post order will be given to us. Now, yeah, we know creating in order is easy. Simply sort all these values. We will get in order. So now in order is written in above. In order is written above. So now by using post order and in order, now we want to construct the tree, as well as we can generate the pre-order, right? Once we construct the tree, we can generate the pre-order. Now see, in the post order, the root will be the last element. In the post order, root will be the last element, because first we will write left, and then we will write right, and then we will write middle. This is the post order. So now work from the last. So now take the last element from the post order. Take the last element from the post order. So now write that last element 45 here. Right. So now go to the in order. In order, all left side values should be in the left side and the right side value should be in the right side. That's it, as per the in order. So now in the left of 45, we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 24, 28, and 35 in the left side. And in the right side, right of 45, there are 50, 62, 65, 66, and 68 are in the right side. Okay. First, take the last value from the post order and treat that as the root. That will be the root. So place it in the top and then go to the in order. You take all the values which are in the left of 45, write it in the left side, and right of 45, write it in the right side in the construction of tree. So now take the next value from the post order, the last value, last but one value, that is 68. So now 68 is here. 68 is here. So now place the 68 here, and then the values available along with 68, which side are there, you write them in that side. So now we have 4 values other than 68. They are in the left of 68. So now all those 4 values will be written in the left of 68. 50, 62, 65, and then 66. These are in the left of 68. So write them in the left of 68. That's it. And then take the next value from the last. So now that is 50. So you write the 50 here, and then what's the values? So now there are 3 more values. They are in the right of 50. So now 62, 65, and 66 will be written in the right of 50. So now 62, 65, and then 66 will be written in the right of 50. Right. So now take the next value from the last. So that is 65. So now write the 65 wherever it is, and then the left side 62 is there, and then the right side 66 is there, and write them as it is in the left and right sides in the next level. Right. Take the next value 66. 66 is single value, leave it. So now take the next value, that is 62. 62 is also single value, leave it. And then take the 20. Take the next value, which is 20. and write the 20 wherever it is. So now 20 is in this sequence we are writing here. And left of 20, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 are there. So write them in the left side. 10, 15, 16, 17 and 18 will be in the left of 20. And then right side 24, 28 and then 35 are in the right side. So write them as it is in the right side. So now take the next value from this. So we got 28. So now write the 28 there. So now 28 is here. So now write the 28 there, and the left of 25, 24 is there. So we should write the 24 in the left of 28. And there is one value which is in the right side, that is 35, should be written in the right of 28. And then take the next value which is 35. This is a single value. No need to do anything for this. And then we got 24, because that is also single value. No need to do anything for that. So then we got 15. Where is the 15? Here is the 15. So now write the 15 here, and then left of 15 there is 10, and then right of 15 there are 16, 17 and 18. Write them as it is in the right side. And then take the next value from this. So we got 17 there. So now write the 17 wherever it is. So now 17 is here, and left of 17, so 16 is there, right of 17, 18 is there. Write them in the left and right sides of the 17. So now take the 18 from the post adder. So now here observe in the tree, which is a single value, no need of working for that. So now take the next value from the pre-order, that is 16. That is also single value. We can leave that as it is. So now take the next value 10. So now 10 is also single value. We can leave that as it is. So now by using post adder, we can create the tree. They will give us post adder and they will expect the pre-order. Yeah, what we have to do? Take the post adder and create the in order, because we know the in order. So create the in order is nothing but the sorted values. So create the in order. By using this post adder and in order, we can construct the tree. Once tree is constructed, we can generate the pre-order values. So now generate the pre-order values from this. In the pre-order, first